Today, we are diving into the magical world of creating your own functions and formulas in Excel with the help of AI tool, ChatGPT. Imagine you want a function in Excel that calculates the area of a circle. You just have to put a value of a radius and it calculates the area. In past, you would need to write an equation separately for it, but not now. So let's see that how we can create formulas and functions in Excel. Open the Microsoft Excel and press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA. So this is the Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. Here, first we have to create a module. So we'll go here in Insert and click on Module. To create a function, we have to put a code here. We are not going to write a code by ourselves, but we will take a help from ChatGPT. So let's open the ChatGPT. We will tell ChatGPT to create a VBA function to calculate the area of a circle. So here you can see that I have written here create a VBA function for Excel to calculate the area of the circle. ChatGPT has created a VBA code for us. We will just click here copy. And the one thing which is to be noted here is that ChatGPT is also telling us that to use this function in Excel, you have to put equal calculate circle area. And here A1 is indicating the radius of the circle. So let's paste this in the Excel VBA. After pasting, you can give name to this module. Just click here. I'm giving name to this module circle area. Now let's open spreadsheet. We will use a function here that we have just created. So let's calculate the area of the circle for this radius. We will put here equal calculate. Here you can see that Excel is suggesting us the function that we have just created. Click here. The radius is in this cell, so we'll select this cell and close the bracket, press enter. Here you can see that it has calculated the area of a circle if radius is 1. Now let's hold our mouse here and drag it down. Here you can see that Excel has calculated the areas of the circle for all these radii. So in this way, you can also create different functions by using Excel VBA with the help of ChatGPT. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe our YouTube channel. That's all for this video.